right, 10/3/2023, going out for some smallmouth with my buddy Craig Beal. Hey there, wave hi, Craig. Hey, we're gonna go around Kelly's first, I think, southwest tip. To be continued. That's a big one. A week or so ago, I just told myself I'd never do it again. I said, let's get that fruit. Let's get him in here. Oh my God, look at that. That's nice. This one's not playing around. Another catfish, guys. Oh, shoot. Another big catfish. Woo! Locked him in. He's a small one. Pretty sure he's mouth for Richie. There we go. Yeah, tip was where his charges. Yeah, it's a headboat, yep. Locked up. Locked up. Smallmouth. Look at that. Smallmouth. I knew they were there. Smallmouth. Look.
It's a different area.
Good. That's still in. There he is. All right, there he is. He's coming up. Smallmouth. Here he is. Look at that. Look at that. Big smallie. Big smallie. Yes. Big smallie. This is going to be my PR if I can get him in. Holy shit. Right. There we go. Personal best smallie. How about we go? All right, it's time to go. So we got 4 smallmouth, a whole bunch of sheephead, some catfish, blah, blah, blah. Great day. I mean, no winds, no waves. Just a beautiful day. Craig had the time of his life. Right, Craig? Yeah. Yeah, that's Cedar Point, yep.